The purpose of this video is to help you complete the assignment for this week. Enter the following commands into the console. Enter this command. Once you have entered this command, click enter. Enter the following command into a console. Once you have entered this command into a console, click enter. Type your name. After you type your name, click enter. Now, you have already completed the first 3 modules. Now you want to complete module number 4 and number 5. So let's select number 4. No, let me start something new. Type 4 and click enter. Now select number 1, art programming. Type 1, click enter. Here is the list of modules. For this week assignment, you want to complete module number 4, vectors, and then complete module number 5, missing values. Let's complete the module number 4 first, and later on we will complete the 5th module, which is missing values. So type 4 to select vectors and click enter. Read the letters in red, click enter, and you're ready to begin your assignment. I hope this video has been helpful. Take care.